I understand you have a roof leak and you've contacted us here at Target Roofing. One of the questions we get asked a lot is, how does your process look? Well, I'm here today to explain that to you. Follow me. So you've contracted Target Roofing to make repairs on your residential or commercial property. The next steps in the process will be 2 service technicians will be dispatched to your place. At this point, they will show up between 7:30 and 8 a.m. They will ask for access to the property. At this point, we would like to be shown where you're seeing moisture or where there may be roof stains in the ceiling. At this point in the process, the property owner will be showing a service technician from Target Roofing where the roof leak is occurring inside. Okay, so we found the leak inside the property. Next, we will need attic access so we can pinpoint the leak even further. Once inside the attic, one of the things that we look for is deterioration in the wood. This is often a telltale sign of water intrusion. So the technicians have found your roof leak inside of the attic. The next step in the process is they will go outside, take their ladder off the truck, and make access to the roof. While there's a guy in the attic, we will also be performing a water test on the roof. As you can see, the service technician is actually putting water directly on a susceptible area. The guy in the attic will actually notify us when the water goes through the panels, through the plywood, and into the attic. This allows us to really pinpoint the area. In this situation, we can make repairs to this area instead of repairing larger areas that could end up causing the roof more harm and actually not match the rest of the roof. And now that we have completed your roof repair, we will notify you of the work that has been performed. This is the level of service that you can expect from our roofing technicians at Target Roofing.